where I get my backdrops from. Amazon, sis. Amazon. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another video for you guys. This is going to be a review on my backdrop. Like, I know you guys noticed that I've been filming with backdrops lately, and I was kind of hesitant about getting one because I didn't really have anything to hang it on, but I found something on Amazon that's affordable, good quality, and it works, you guys. So let's just get into the review. I'm not going to make this long. I just want to tell you guys a little bit about it. So the backdrop I have in today's video is by, let me not mess up the name. It is the TRLYC 4 feet by 6.5 feet iridescent sequin backdrop sequin curtain for wedding. So I'll have that mouthful listed down below. So yes, it's a pink iridescent backdrop with sequins, and I got it on Amazon. It came to me in 2 days because I have Amazon Prime, so you really can't beat that. I am a firm Amazon Prime user. I just believe in it wholeheartedly because, like, 2 days? What? Are you crazy? So yeah, I got this on Amazon, and what I can really say about this backdrop is that it is a little bit thin. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have it doubled up with another backdrop that I got off of Amazon as well, just so that it's not so see-through. So if you are going to get this backdrop, my first con would be that it's a little bit thin. If you don't have like a solid white wall, you're going to be able to see through it. And if you guys are familiar with my recording setup, behind this wall is a door that is my room. So like, I'll try to insert a clip, but I have the door to my room, like a baby little hallway, and then this wall right here. So there's actually like a little mini hallway right here that is about this wide. That's just space. So without the white sequin backdrop behind this one, you could see the difference between the solid white wall here and the empty space that's right here. So if you guys can see, there's wall here and there's nothing here. So I had to double it up to kind of give it a more opaque look, but y'all, this looks really great. And you can even, you don't have to buy 2 backdrops. Like, you could just put a sheet behind it. And I literally have my backdrop hanging up with, do I have one to show you guys? So I didn't want to buy one of those like fancy backdrop curtain, big, ginormous rod things because I don't have a recording room. I record in my bedroom, and I don't want things that take up a lot of space. You know, my closets are already full. I don't need to add any more bulk to my room. So I just pin it to my wall with these push pins, and it holds really well. Even with it doubled up with another backdrop behind it, it held up really well. And I paid $18.91 for it. And you can't beat that price, okay? Because this thing is the perfect size for these type of videos. If you're going to be recording in landscape, as you guys can see, I do have quite a bit of width. It goes about that far that way and that far that way. So yeah, as you can see, it reflects the light really well. I have a mini ring light, and I record with my iPhone 7 Plus with the flash on. So as you can see, it really reflects the light well, and it just looks so pretty, not only in pictures but in videos as well. So I really love this backdrop, and I really would recommend it for anybody who just needs something quick and easy, and you don't want to invest that much money into like a professional like backdrop thingy. You just want something that's gonna clear the background of your videos, because it's really hard to get a nice clear setup. So I really love this backdrop. If you guys are on the market for a backdrop, please look at these because it's really inexpensive and it's not a big deal. If you have to buy 2, it's gonna run you maybe 35 bucks, and it looks really good. It's great quality, as you guys can see. It didn't come damaged. You know how sometimes with sequins you can get like snags in the material? This was perfect. You can't see any snags in it. I really honestly should have went and ironed it a little bit because it did come folded. So there is a crinkle on this side. But yeah, I really love this backdrop. And if you guys are trying to find a cheap backdrop, then this is the one for you. I will have my affiliate link for this backdrop listed in the comments down below. So if you guys are interested, go down to Amazon and check it out. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly come and tell you guys about this backdrop because I got some questions from other people that I know that make videos, and they wanted to know where I get my backdrops from. Amazon, sis. Amazon. And if you guys have any more questions, I always answer them, obviously. So leave them in the comments down below. I'm obsessed. Like, look at that. The light just reflects off of it so nice, and it's not too gaudy. Like, I didn't want a bright gold one or a bright pink. I wanted something subtle but still super glam, and this was that for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I appreciate all of you guys' support. We're almost at 800 subscribers, so please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to thumb this up for more videos, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next video. Bye! Wow, I love these ears, y'all. But I'm still rocking my Eunice hair, if you guys were wondering, even though that has nothing to do with this video.